truly what is such a great piece with getting to be the faculty advisor for a newsroom that had its beginnings in 1878 is realizing my job and our students' job here is just to be a shepherd, to make sure that we are writing stories and covering different citizens and different students to ensure that we are keeping this publication at that high standard. When time comes, that we can pass it on to the next generation and the generations to come. There's just something truly special about seeing all of the students' hard work come together in our monthly print issue, or when we have different elements and videos showcased and shown through our online website. And just to see, again, that glow of a student when they see all that hard work and they see it connecting with audiences. And as an advisor, what I always tell my students is I'm here to coach you, and I will not touch the keys. I will sit on my hands to walk you through what needs to be done. As we navigate through getting the shine light on to provide the voice to the voiceless, truly our responsibility as well as a journalist is to shed light even in darkness. So a big piece of my job is to coach our students through getting to cover those biggest pumpkins in Johnson County that are so fun to cover, but when it comes down to asking hard questions and really empowering our students to know there's no question that they are not permitted to ask. Their job is to inform and to support, but not to be an advocate. Continually keeping students realizing, like, just don't give up on it. Find a way, always find a way.